K3. A function has a double root at x equals to minus 2, a point of inflection on x-axis at x equals to 0, a root at x equals to 3, and passes through 4, minus 8. Write equation of the function, find y-intercept and sketch the graph. That should not be very difficult. Okay? Try to do it yourself and then look into the solution. Let's write down this function as f of x equals to double root at x minus 2. That means x plus 2 whole square. Do you see every time I leave some space here because I need to add a afterwards, okay? Always leave a space or start with a. Both things, right? Either way. A point of inflection on x-axis at x equals to 0. Do you understand point of inflection? Point of inflection will give you a graph like cubic. Do you understand that point where concavity changes? Do you see that? So basically it is of order 3. So we have x to the cube. Do you understand? That is the point of inflection which many times students miss, right? A root at x equals to 3. That means x minus 3. Correct? And it passes through 4 and minus 8, which I'll use to find a. So that is our equation, and we'll write minus 8 here and plug in x as 4, right? So let me write like this. F of 4 equals to a times 4 plus 2 whole square, 4 cube, 4 minus 3, right? So f of 4 is minus 8. A times 6 square, which is 36, 4 cube is 64, and 1. Okay? Now you can find a. A is equal to, let me write a this time here, minus 8 divided by 36 times 64, right? 8 goes 8 times, so it is minus 1 over 36 times 8. Let me write 36 times 8, right? I'm not using calculator, but just putting this value for you. So that is my value for a, and therefore I do have an equation of function. So I'll write f of x So I'm writing f of x here as equal to minus 1 over 36 times 8. Okay, you can use a calculator, calculate it out. And then in the numerator I have x plus 2 whole square. I should write x cube here, but anyway now, x cube and x minus 3. Okay, that is my answer. Now to find y-intercept, we have to plug in 0 here and get y-intercept, right? So y-intercept is f of 0, which is, if I plug in 0 here, I get 0. Of course, because at 0 we have point of inflection. Now let's sketch the graph. Now roots are at x equals to minus 2 plus 3. So let's say this is my minus 2 and this is my plus 3. And point of inflection at 0, and we know that it goes to this point, origin with point of inflection. Since a is minus, right side is down. Now degrees, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. So both sides down. Do you see that? Now let's sketch the graph. At minus 2 is just type 2, so it will bounce back, correct? Here it will go like, do you see this? That is what they mean point of inflection. And here it is going to go down. Do you understand? So we can draw a graph like this. You see, connect them. Go straight. This is the point of inflection. Do you get the graph? That is how you are going to make your graph. This point is minus 2 to be very clear. This is 3. This is my function f of x. That is my x-axis, and that's the origin. That's how we are going to do it. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the whole process. Thank you.